you're using Google, the chances are that you have got the new Google AI Gemini in the top of your browser here. I opened it up today and I asked to take my events from Sunday the 18th. These are just little reminders that I have all the way from 11 a.m. to 11 p.m. And I asked it to move it to Sunday, February 1st at the same time. That's so I don't forget. And it said, got it. You want to change all these 22 events? Do you want me to go ahead and change them all right now? And I'm going to then click update and it's going to connect. Look at that. It is moving all of them. Now, it forgot a few of them, but it moved them all. Oh my gosh. If I would have had to open up each and every one of these, how long that would take, you guys, this is the power of agentic AI. And actually, it cleaned up the ones that I just said didn't get moved, and it moved it over today. Wow, I am blown away right now.